A very good morning to all. I am Divyansh Sharma from class 10. Today I am going to tell you a story. The story name is A Thief's Story, written by Ruskin Bond. Once upon a time, there was a man. His name was Anil. Anil was a writer and he lived over the Jumna sweet shop. One day, he went to watch wrestling match and there a boy said to him, "You look like a wrestler." Then that Anil started laughing and said, "You also." After some time, that boy said to Anil, "What's your name?" Then Anil said that, "My name is Anil." "And your name?" Then that boy said that, "My name is Hari Singh." But in real, he lied to him and he was a thief and changed his name to steal. After over the match, when Anil started going to his home, then Hari Singh started following him and said, "I want to work for you." Then Anil said that, "But I can't pay you. Do you know to cook food?" Then Anil Hari Singh said that, "Yes, I know to cook food." Then Anil and Hari Singh reached Anil's home and there Anil said to Hari Singh, "You have to sleep on the balcony." Then Hari Singh cooked food. Food was not better. So Anil gave it to stray dog and said to Hari Singh, "I can't take you, so you go." Then Hari Singh said that, "I am really sorry, I will make better food from now." Then Hari Singh said that, Anil said that, "Never mind." And he decided to teach him cook food, how to write name, whole sentences and add to the numbers. And Hari Singh also started working for Anil, making in morning, bring vegetables, etc. After some days, one day, Anil came to home with a small bundle of notes and said, "I had just sold a book to publisher." At night, Anil tucked the money under the mattress. Then Hari Singh thought that it is right time to rob Anil. Anil had given me a key to the door and Anil was most trusting person. So it was difficult to rob him. If I don't take the money, he will only waste on his friend. So he decided to rob him. And he did so and reached on the platform. And there he couldn't go to the train and train had gone. He was standing alone on the platform, so he went to a park and sat on the bench and thought, "In my short career as a thief, I had studied men's face when they had lost their goods. A greedy man shows fear, a rich man shows anger, and a poor man shows acceptance. These are the different reactions when the people they are robbed." The night was chilly and soon it was raining heavily. His shirt and his pajama was stuck to his body and notes were damp from rain. Then Hari Singh decided to go back to Anil's home and he reached Anil's home and he put the bundle of the note under the mattress. Anil was asleep. Next morning, Hari Singh awoke late and Anil had already made the tea. Then Anil stretched his hand towards Hari Singh and said, and there was 50 rupees note between her finger. And he said to Hari Singh, "Now you will be paid regularly." But when Hari Singh took the note, it was still wet from rain. Then Hari Singh thought that Anil knew about theft, but he neither scolded him nor mentioned it. And finally, Hari Singh smiled at Anil in his most appealing way. Thank you.